Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to create your private servers in Roblox. So guys, first thing that you need to do is open the Roblox player, and if you don't have the Roblox player, you can just download it on the Google or any web browser. And guys, once you have successfully downloaded it, you're gonna go over here to the search icon that they have. So from here guys, just search any server that you want to have a private server with, or you can browse over here guys if you scroll down through these servers. But on this video, I'm gonna use the search button and I'm gonna go for the Noob Tycoon. So I'm just gonna click enter. And then from here guys, I want to have a private server from here. Just click on it. And then guys, after that, you just scroll down and then over here you will see servers. So guys, click on it. And then from here guys, as you can see, you will have here a tab, private servers. Just click over here and create a private server. And then from here guys, you can customize your server name. So I'm gonna go for Savvy. And then from here, you can just click buy now. And we can click customize and we can click not now, but for this video we're gonna click customize guys, so we can have a personal preferences on our server. As you can see, we can toggle this option which we can make people allow joining on our private server, and we can turn it off as well. And guys, as you can see, you can toggle as well the friends allowed, or you can also add as server members if you prefer someone who you want to be a member with in your server. And from here guys, you can have the private server link, so if you want to play with your friend, you will have here the server link of your private server. And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!